Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on binary tree traversals. In the previous video, we are already discussed about what is traversing, what are the notations used in binary tree traversal, and what are the three different binary tree traversals that we are discussed in the previous video. I am revising in 1 or 2 minutes. First of all, what is traversing? Traversing means visiting all the vertices in a tree exactly once. So that is nothing but traversing. Next one is there are three different tree traversal techniques are there. First one is in order, second one is pre-order, third one is post-order. Okay, to perform these three traversal techniques, we have to use three notations. One is L. L means visiting the left child. Next, second one is R. R is nothing but visiting the right child. Next one is, third one is D. D means visiting the root node or a parent node. So these are the three notations used in binary search tree traversal. Okay, by using these three notations, there are 6 combinations are possible. Okay, among the 6 possible combinations, LRD, LDR, RLD, RDL, DLR and DRL. These are the 6 combinations. Okay, from the computational point of view, we have to use only 3 different combinations in binary tree traversal techniques. So that are, first one is DLR, that is means pre-order. Second one is LDR, that is in order. Third one is LRD, that is post order. Okay, these are the 3 traversal techniques used in trees. In addition to the 3 binary tree traversal techniques, we have to use another tree traversal technique, that is level ordering. Okay, what is level ordering? Level ordering means we have to visit all the vertices in a tree level by level. Okay, for example, so this is the tree. Okay, so the levels of the tree are, this is level 1 and this is level 2 and this is level 3 and this is level 4. So visiting all the vertices in a tree level by level. Okay, first level contains only a single node, that is root node A. First visit the root node A. Okay, next go to the second level. In the second level there are 2 nodes are there or 2 vertices are there. Visit the 2 vertices, that is vertex B and vertex C. Okay, next go to the third level. In the third level, there are 4 vertices are there, D, E, F, G. All the vertices are visited in the third level. Okay, from left to right. Okay, next go to fourth level. Fourth level, there are 3 vertices are there. So that 3 vertices are H, I, J. Okay, so now how we are visiting the vertices level by level in a tree? First level A is visited. Next in level 2 B and C are visited. In level 3 D, E, F, G are visited. In level 4 H, I, J are visited. Okay, in this way we have to visit all the vertices in a tree level by level order. Okay, next one. To implement level ordering tree traversal technique, we have to use queue data structure. Okay, so queue data structure is used to implement level ordering traversal technique. Okay, queue follows the principle called FIFO principle, that is first in first out. Which element enters into the queue first, that element is removed from the queue first. Okay, so that is FIFO principle. Okay, next one is BFS technique is also used in level ordering. Okay, to implement BFS, queue data structure is used. Okay, now go for this example. Example, apply level ordering traversal technique for the following graph. Okay, so now this graph contains 4 levels. Okay, so each and every level contains some number of nodes. Level 1 contains single node, level 2 contains 2 nodes, level 3 contains 4 nodes, level 4 contains 3 nodes. Okay, level ordering starts at vertex in level 1. So now I am starting level ordering at vertex in the level 1, that is a root node. So level ordering starts at the root node. Here A is the root node that is there in level 1. First, root node A is inserted into the queue. Okay, after inserting the root node A into the queue, first visit that node. Okay, once we are visiting the node, next what are the adjacent nodes of A? So A adjacents are B and C. Okay, now A is removed from the queue and inserting its adjacents B and C. Okay, next one. Now among the two adjacent vertices of vertex A, first we have to consider leftmost vertex, that is vertex B. Okay, so now consider vertex B that is visited first. Next, what are the adjacent vertices of B, D and E? So that are inserted into the queue and B is removed from the queue. Okay, now what is the next element in the queue? That is C. Okay, what are the adjacent of C? C adjacents are F and G. Okay, before finding out the adjacents of C, first C is visited. Okay, now what are the adjacents of C? C adjacents are F and G. Okay, now F and G are inserted into the queue and C is removed from the queue. Okay, next what is the next element in the queue? That is D. Now what are the adjacents of vertex D? So that is H and I. So before inserting its adjacents H and I into the queue, first visit the vertex D. Okay, after visiting vertex D, then its adjacents H and I are inserted. Okay, now D is removed from the queue, that is DQ operation. Okay, next what is the next vertex in the queue? That is E. Okay, so what are the, before finding out the adjacent vertices of vertex E, first visit the vertex E. Okay, now what are the adjacent vertices of vertex E? Vertex E contains only a single vertex, that is B, that is already visited. Okay, there are no vertices that are adjacent to vertex E. Now E is removed from the queue. Okay, next vertex is F. Okay, so first F is visited. Now find out the adjacent vertices of F. F adjacents are C and J. C is already visited. Only J is there. So J is inserted into the queue and F is removed from the queue. Okay, next vertex is G. Okay, so first G is visited. Okay, now what are the adjacent vertices of G? So G contains only a single vertex that is adjacent, that is C. C is already visited. Okay, there are no adjacent vertices for vertex C. Vertex G. Okay, now G is removed from the Q. Okay, next element or next vertex is H. Okay, so now what are the, at first H is visited. Next, what are the adjacent vertices of H? Only D is there. D is already visited. So there are no adjacent vertices except D. So now H is removed from the Q. Okay. Next element in the Q is I. Okay. So first visit vertex I. Next, what are the adjacent vertices of vertex I? Only vertex D is there. Vertex D is already visited. There are no adjacent vertices except vertex D. So I is removed from the Q. Next element is in the Q is J. Now consider J. First visit that node. Okay. Next, what are the adjacent vertices of J? Only vertex F is there, but vertex F is already visited. There are no adjacent vertices except F. So J is removed from the Q. Okay. Now Q is empty. Okay. All the vertices are visited. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. So this is the level ordering of a particular tree. Okay. Now, so this implementation based on Q. Generally, how level ordering is performed. Okay. So now this is vertex A. First vertex A is visited. Next B and C are visited. Next one D and E and F and G are visited. Next one H and I and J are visited. In the level 1, node A is visited. In the level 2, B and C are visited. In the level 3, D, E, F, G are visited. In level 4, H, I, J are visited. H, I, J are visited. Okay. So level by level ordering means, so this line gives the level by level ordering. Okay. This implementation is Q data structure is used to implement level ordering tree traversal technique. Okay. In the simple way, we have to write the line in this way, how the vertices in a particular level are visited. Okay, it shows the level by level ordering. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela Srinivasarao. Divvela Srinivasarao. Thank you.